Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to connect your Google Sheets with Git? In this video, I'll show you how you can do that. I'm going to add the data of a subscriber in my Google Sheets, and in your Git account, you will find that subscriber is automatically added. So let's suppose for the full name of the subscriber, I'll write over here as test account, okay? For the email address, I'll write it as test@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. After adding all the details, I will wait for a few seconds and go back to my Git account, and you will see automatically in front of you the subscriber has been added. Test account test@pabblytudes.com. So this is how the setup is going to work in real time. So now let me show you how you can create this setup without need of any coding and programming skills using the software that is Pabbly Connect. I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and the landing page will appear in front of you. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here. You will get 100 free tasks. Using the task, you can create the setup right away, absolutely paying nothing. And if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, you can use the code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime plans. Now to create a new automation, go to this create workflow button and select the option create using AI. That's the new feature of Pabbly Connect. This AI right here will understand the request that you have, and according to it, it will generate the entire workflow. My request is I want to add subscribers to Kit from Google Sheets. So I'm going to send this request towards this AI. It will analyze my request and it is going to ask me to set up my trigger. I want as soon as in my Google Sheets a new data is added, automatically in my Kit account, I will search over here for Kit V4. Automatically a subscriber should be added. Insert or update subscriber by email. Okay, so this is the workflow I want to create. I'll approve and create this workflow from here and open it, and you will see the entire setup is created. Now simply you want to build the connections. For Google Sheets, you will find the webhook URL that you need to copy and open the spreadsheet that you need to connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. You will come to this window right over here where you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks on the search apps bar and install this application inside your Google Sheets. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing, now what you have to do is you have to go towards extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks now, from which select the initial setup option. The dialog box of initial setup is next going to appear in front of you, where it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column is going to be column C, because as soon as the phone number will be added of the subscriber in this column, the entire row's data should be forwarded towards this webhook URL. So I will enter column C right over here and click on this submit button. As soon as I'm going to do that, automatically it says setup configured successfully. Okay, now go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and select the option of send on event. It's a mandatory step because we're using this feature. The data will be instantly forwarded towards our webhook URL. Okay, now over here in the trigger, you have to go back and click on this recapture response button. Now let's check whether Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. So let me enter the details of the new subscriber that I want to create right here. So I will write over here the new subscriber's full name as new user, email as new@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. And now as I've added all the details, within few seconds in your trigger, you will see the response is going to be captured. Usually it takes 5 to 10 seconds for the response to arrive in the trigger of Google Sheets. So you have to wait right here, and you will see new user, new@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number has been captured in the trigger. Google Sheets is now connected. Now let's move forward. I will add the data of the subscriber in my Kit account. For that, click on this connect button. Now over here, I will add a new connection. For that, click on this connect with Kit V4. After that, we have to select the account and grant the permission, as this is a safe process and your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now we need to enter the email address and the first name of the subscriber. For the data of this field, we'll map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step, where you need to map the data, add a slash right there, search for what you want to map, and as I want to enter this email address of the subscriber in my Kit account, I will select the data from the previous response, which makes this specific data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is now going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, it is asking for the first name, and you will see for the first name, I have received the full name of this lead. create the subscriber right here. I just require the first name. So what I will do is I will save this step from here first. Go back, add an action step after Google Sheets, where for the action application I will select over here as text formatter by Pabbly. And the event is going to be split text. Click on this connect button. For the text to split, I will map the date of the name that I've received. I want to separate the first name with the last name with the use of the space between them. So I'm going to copy the separator and paste it right over here, space. I want both the details, so I'm going to select all and click on this even send test request button. I have received the first name now. I will map the data of this first name in this field right over here. So let me map the data. After that, status of the subscriber will be active. I'm going to click on this even send test request button. I have received this response, which is a positive response, and in your Kit account you will see a new subscriber in the name of new. Email address is new@pabblytuts.com has now been successfully added. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work in real time. Now whenever you will add any subscribers details in Google Sheets, that subscriber will be created in your Kit account in front of you. So if you have questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The link of this template is in the description section, and it's a free link for you to use. Now if you want to purchase our plans, ANGYT is the code. Go ahead, purchase our plans, yearly or lifetime deals right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.